Hello again guys, welcome back to another video, and today I've got something special to show you. So, let's get on with it. Let's start off with a tank. Wow, that's unusual. So I've been clearing out a house recently, and I managed to find in that house some random old cars. So you can feast your eyes on some old die-cast cars. So here we have a armoured car, scout car by Dinky Toys, made in England. Bloody hell, you can tell how old it is because it's made in England. We don't make anything anymore over here. We let the Chinese do it or something like that. So this is some sort of scout tank or something. Looks like the aerial's a bit bent. Probably shouldn't do that before I end up snapping it. Turret looks a little bit bent as well, but yeah, not much I can say about this. This reason it's fared quite well for its age. At least I think it's old. I don't really know much about tanks, so I can't say a lot. But next up, oh yeah, we have a lorry with a sticker peeling off of it. You can tell that these have all had some good thorough use and some good playtime. Paint's wearing away a little bit. But yeah, this is in fact a Matchbox. A Matchbox, what is that? Something Kings, Super Kings. A Leyland, K4 Leyland tipper. And the tipper also works, you can actually tip it up, which is pretty cool. Interesting colour scheme with the orange and the sort of metallic green, but I suppose, yeah, looks pretty retro. It's pretty cool, that. It's pretty cool. Another car I found is this. Any idea what this is? If you guessed Hot Wheels, you're wrong. It's a Matchbox. A Matchbox Ford Probe. Wow, a Ford Probe. I'm sure that was a very popular car. Looks like it had pop-up headlights, which is pretty cool. This is definitely well used, as you can tell by all the scratches and scrapes. Plenty of them. I mean, the rear pillar there is broken and this side is completely missing. So it's almost I can't even make custom cars. I'm definitely not going to try to restore these yet. I might try in future if I get better, but missing post, that's a bit of a problem. Interesting looking wheels. Again, they're kind of they've been pushed down, so they just instantly sink into the car. But hey, it's suspension. That's what that is. But yeah, nice darkish blue, sort of purple. A very interesting green and white splodge on the side there. But yeah, it could almost be a Hot Wheels that, but no, it's a Matchbox. Pretty cool that though. Now, my favourite, I'm going to save till last. I've got this really random thing, which probably won't fit in the camera. Yeah, it's not going to fit in the camera at all. So I'll just... This, if I can show it, is a Tonka, which is a toy brand over here. Be nice if I had it the right... Oh, there's the Tonka logo. But yeah, some weird sort of tractor which has like levers to control the arm there, and you can sort of lift the arm, and you know, works better with two hands. But it's just something really random, very old metal Tonka toy. And now that will not break by the feels of it. It's solid metal. But anyway, there wasn't too many cars, so let's get on to the final one. Oh yeah, look at this little thing. This is really cool. Got a little Beetle with a massive engine out the back. And it's a Matchbox again. It's not even Hot Wheels. I would have thought that something like this would be a Hot Wheels car. And this is a real thing, I don't know. The Matchbox 31 Volksdragon. Volksdragon. Well, you can sort of see why. Look at that. Again, it's a little bit beat up. It's not too bad. I reckon a bit of a clean and it will come out quite nicely actually. Paint's not too bad. The base is coming off a little bit. Well, there is no front post, it just seems to clip in. There's a rear post at the back there. The worst thing about the car is the rear wheels, just they are totally trashed. They are really bad. Yeah, it kind of does a constant turn. Maybe it's a drift car. But yeah, I don't know, that's pretty cool. Quite a cool thing to find. Not sure how old this is. When it was made. It says 1971 there, but I don't know if that is when this was made. I'm not sure. But hey, it's pretty cool. Whatever it is, that's for sure. What's this one say under it? 1993. Same age as my car, if that's how old it is. Seems like a car from that era. Does this have anything on it? 1971 again. I'm not sure if that's the date these were made or licensed or what. It'd be cool if it is. 1970s, that's awesome. Yeah, a couple of pretty cool finds. Not much. I mean, but yeah, I'm not going to turn that down. That's pretty cool. Whether I'll restore these is another question. I don't know if I'm really able to do that yet. I mean, these wheels are really, really, really bugging me. And that's quite annoying as well. But yeah, this is probably by far my favourite of the finds. Just think it's really cool and the condition isn't too bad if you minus the wheels. The paint looks quite nice and it's just a cool little thing really. So, that's my random special little video. Very random because literally until I found these I didn't even expect to have a video like this, but yeah. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please be sure to drop a like and be sure to subscribe because why not? I'll see you again in another video.